This problem is white to play, and the objective is to make a living shape. So now black is threatening to capture these two white stones, and white must save these two stones in order to have a chance, because otherwise the ice base will be way too small. So white can only play here, here, and here. Those are the only three choices. And this last one will be the correct answer, because those other two will not give white enough of an ice space. So if black comes in here and destroys this eye, white will play here. And now black has 2 points that it needs to occupy, but it can only occupy one of them, right? If black goes here, these two are already dead inside, and white can make another real eye here. If black plays here, then white can play this and make a living shape this way. Black's strongest challenge to white will be this move. Now white must play this. Now if black plays on the outside, white cannot save this eye. If white plays this, then this will be a ko, right? Because these 4 stones will be under Atari by number 6. So white should not try to save this eye right here. Instead, white should play this here on the 1-1 point. Black can only capture, and now white captures 2 and 6 at the same time, because black cannot play at the 1-1 point. This will be an illegal move for black. So the best black can do is to Atari on the outside, but it's too late. White can now capture both 2 and 6 and make a living shape this way. So this problem is first about identifying these 2 white stones in danger, and then figuring out this move that will guarantee white's success in making a living shape. Thank you for watching.